that's the role of media. What media does is they will over-sensationalize and use the sensational material to influence our perception or emotionally influence our perception of things. And that's why most people would definitely say, yeah, floods are what kill more people, but it is actually asthma. So we have the same problem when you actually look at your Obamas, your Oprah Winfrey, Jay-Z, or it's easy for your perception to be skewed.
Okay.
Your perception of economics in the Black American community.
Yeah.
It's very easy for your perception to be skewed if you look at those three Black people that are right now so influential, so big, so wealthy.
So are you saying I'm not as rich as Obama?
Well, I don't know. Do you want to bring out some statements here?
Am I not as influential as Jay-Z?